How to read messages on Messenger without being seen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have the updated version of the Messenger application on your device. So here, as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Messenger application. So whenever you want to read messages on Messenger without being seen, so you can just launch the Messenger application over here. And as you do that, it will take you to the profile. Now if you want to view any message, you can see there's a message that I've received. So if you want to see that without being seen, simply what you need to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn on the airplane mode. And as you turn the airplane mode, you can now just go back and watch the video or the picture, whatever that has been sent to you. And as you have seen this, you can just go back and then toggle on the Wi-Fi and toggle off the airplane mode. So when you do this, you'll be able to read the messages on Messenger without being seen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.